Pressing the Control Groups button on the master screen opens the Control Groups panel. The 8 control groups are more often known as VCAs or CGs. Any type of channel can be a member of a CG, and to add channels to a CG, just press the Join Leave button for one of the CGs and then press the Channel Select buttons to add them. You will now see the list of members for each CG on the screen. When you have finished, press the Join Leave button again to exit this mode. The CGs can be named by touching the white label box and typing. The CG faders, mutes and solos will normally appear on the 4th bank in the right-hand section. Selecting that bank will show you each CG, its list of members and its various controls. One of these controls is the CG Mode Select button, where you can choose to have your CGs in VCA style, moving fader or mute only mode. VCA is the default mode, but mute only is often used if you want to create a mute group where the CG fader has no effect on the audio. Actually, even in VCA and moving fader modes, the CG mute still works. Whenever a CG mute is active on a channel, you'll see a blue CG mute indicator at the bottom of the screen strip. A channel can be a member of several CGs. For example, you have one CG for the entire band, but also have a separate CG for each group of instruments, vocals, keyboards, guitars, etc. These CGs will be in series, so muting any of the CGs will mute all of its member channels. For a channel to be unmuted, all of the CGs that it is a member of must be unmuted. You can, however, at any time override a channel's CG mute using the channel's own mute button. As soon as the CG is muted again, this override will be cancelled.